Start 130, hairpin left. Good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 130. Turn hairpin left, around Bale. 100, 4 left short, 50. Right of a crest, 40. Crest, into 5 left, half long, tightens, 50. 1 right, around Bale, onto gravel, 70. 5 left, half long, 120. Long crest, 130. 5 right short, into crest, 120. Late 5 right, 280. Long crest, bumps, 200. Slowing, turn 2 left, around Bale. 140. 5 right, opens and tightens. 3 right, around Bale. 190 over bumps. Small crest into 3 left, half long, 40, 3 right, 160. Crest 90. Late 3 right and 4 left, very long tightens. 270 over bumps. Crest, slowing 150. Turn square right, sharp around Bales. 200. Dip, slowing into crest. And square left short, don't cut, 50. Slight right to the crest, brake, 70. Hairpin right, short. And slight right, 30. 3 left sharp. And slight left, 50. 3 right, tightens. And left of a crest, 30. Right of a jump, 40. Jump. And 6 right. And late 3 left, 30. Turn, 1 left. 100. Small crest. To 4 left, 100. Right of a small jump, 140. Crest, 60. 5 right, 60. 6 left, 120. 6 left, over bumps. And small jump, 50. 5 right short, over crest, keep in, 100. Left of a bump. And 6 right, 80. Crest, 90. 6 left, onto tarmac, slowing, 60. Crest, to 5 left, 50. Turn, hairpin right, onto gravel. And 4 left, 30. Right of a jump, 40. Right of a bump. To slight left, slowing, jump, 120. Turn, square right. 120. Late, 5 left of a jump, opens, 100. Bumps. Into 5 left, tightens, into jump, 100. Right of a jump. Into 4 left short, 100. 4 right, tightens of a crest. Into 6 left, 70. 5 left, 40. Caution, crest, into late 2 right, 100. 6 left, over finish, to stop. Okay, that's a 4 minute 44.5.